Hi, this is Tamara Rubin, tamararubin.com, letsafemama.com, and I made two videos today. This video that you're about to see is me testing this using XRF technology, and there's a second video that shows me testing this bottle, which is a Maymom bottle using reactive agent home test kit technology. So I just want people to see that I'm opening this box. It's the Maymom, and it has, if you're not happy with this product, blah, blah, blah. And it had double seals, and it's the original real packaging. I purchased it online. It's not a counterfeit as far as I can tell. It says made in Taiwan. I don't know where it says that, but down here somewhere. I don't have my glasses on. Anyway, made in Taiwan. And I was told by a new friend that he had tested these and they were positive for lead, this Maymom bottle. And we are working on the subway campaign for the New York City subways to run ads, public service campaign ads, that will alert people to the fact that there are lead painted baby bottles. So a friend of mine volunteered to help with the photography. She's a professional photographer. But I also want to see if my son might be able to give it a whack, photographing all the leaded bottles that I have for the ad. So I'm going to take this into Aldi today, see if he can photograph it, if in fact it's positive for lead, which this one friend of mine said it was. Okay, so I'm testing it right now. I'll just do a preliminary test. Whoops, are you still filming? My son Charlie's filming. Are you still filming? Yeah. All right, just a preliminary test. It's 23,300 lead, 527 cadmium. So yeah, this is another lead painted bottle. Hold on one second. We're discovering this at the same moment. Anyway, so my son's getting mad. He's being such a sweetie. He's mad that he's filming for me because he wants to go to Aldi. So this bottle, which is Maymom wide mouth glass baby bottles. Are you filming on it? Is a lead painted baby bottle that's 23,000 parts per million lead, and it's sold with these. I guess they're like breast milk storage bottles. So another one bites the dust. Again, I'm going to show you the box. Maymom wide mouth glass baby bottles. Hi, this is Tamara Rubin, tamararubin.com, letsafemama.com, and today I made two videos about this bottle. It's a Maymom glass baby bottle that's painted with lead paint, and this video is showing reactive agent home testing, and the second video has the quantitative test result for this bottle of how much lead there is in the paint. Hi, this is Tamara Rubin, Let's Safe Mama, letsafemama.com, tamararubin.com. So a friend of mine sent me, told me about these bottles, said that they were tested for lead and they were positive, so I ordered some. I was going to add them to my New York City subway campaign if it goes ahead, and we just tested them with the XRF instrument. They're 23,000 parts per million lead, so I want to show you. This is a lead check swab, and I'm going to go crush and shake, and you can use one of these to test like 10 things. I have a Q-tip method on my website showing you how to do that, but I am in a rush. So I want to show you that the liquid is orange, and I'm going to show you this because we know this is 23,000 parts per million lead. This is a very high leaded baby bottle. And even though it's 23,000 parts per million lead, the amount that's coming off on the swab, it is pink. I don't know if you can see that. Can you clearly see that?
It's not really.
It's definitely
kind of hard
pink.
to see,
Here,
but I can see that it is, yeah.
do it closer up.
Let me see. There you go, kind of. You
It's
can see that there's a little
definitely
bit of red, and yeah.
It's not white. It's not yellow. It's pink. Do closer up than that. The more, yeah, there you go. You can see the color in that, can't you? I can. It's definitely pink. So even though it takes a long time for it to come to that amount, the pink color takes a lot of rubbing, that it's only a very little amount of pink color. Oh, here we go. The more I rub it, the more it deteriorates. Like if you wash it in the dishwasher or something, the more it will come off, you know? And look, I'm rubbing it, and can you see the color? Get a closer up of that color. This is a baby bottle that goes in a baby's hands. I have discovered something like 12, 15 brands like this that are covered and painted with lead paint, as demonstrated by the XRF test we just did, followed by this. Can you see how bright pink that is?
Yeah, yeah, there you go.
These bottles that I found are made in England, made in Germany, made in Japan, made in Taiwan. They're not made in China. They're made in Canada. They are made everywhere, and they are going in our babies' hands. And the US government is not acting quickly enough about this. So I'm going to be doing a campaign in the New York City subways to try and draw attention to the issue that our government is letting companies sell lead-painted baby bottles in the United States in 2023. Okay, that's all. I'm a little bit pissed about this one.